What's up, guys? You chose to stay here and work on the old go-kart here. So what we're doing is getting this back plate in, if you noticed from video one. Nice choice on picking this video because we did need to get this done today, so I'm glad you picked it. Getting this back plate in and getting that fuse box, or not, it's not a fuse box, it's like a power box or whatever. Getting that bad boy secured to that. So what I'm going to do now is get you set up on a tripod, probably down here, facing that way, and get this lined up and get it tacked in there and see what she looks like. Let's go. See what she looks like. I'm good with that. I'm good with that. I am good with that. That is good enough. This is a go-kart, not a show kart, guys. Remember that. Remember that. Now, I'm going to mount this puppy. Should have plenty of wire there. Oh yeah. Something right in here somewhere. Well, she ain't the prettiest thing, but there's two seats in this bad boy. I'm going to cut that bar, that brown bar and that off to give my son more foot room. But I think he'll have plenty of leg space there. That's a pretty good size for a child. And then my son in the front, he's going to have plenty of leg space too, I believe. So all I got to do is finish welding up a couple things. It's not the prettiest. It's temporary for now. I think me and Bubs are going to make some out of wood and then paddle them and make them look good. So this is just to see if they even like going and doing stuff like this and getting them out in the woods and getting to experience it for the first time. So that's what we're going to do. I appreciate y'all tuning in to finishing the go-kart or doing getting a lot of progress done on the go-kart. Thank you for choosing video number 2. You choose on my channel what you want to see on these videos. It's like this. So much love to y'all. And until next time, peace.